Hey everybody, it's Doug Goff from MarineMax here in St. Petersburg, and today I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough for you of one of my favorite boats, the Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. This boat does it all, has it all, and can do basically anything you would ever want to do here in Florida. Let's start with how it's powered. Twin 225 Mercuries, amazing. Back here on the stern, you've got rod holders everywhere, you've got cup holders everywhere. When you're not fishing it, amazing, beautiful, huge aft seat here for when you're entertaining. Let's move up to the helm and take a look there, okay? Right here at the helm it's an amazing setup. On the back side of the helm seat, you've got a huge live well, you've got your sink, your wash down sink, and then this is an amazing feature. This is the swim patio. So when you are either hauling in a fish or if you're just swimming, this is adds an amazing amount of space. Just opens this area up tremendously. At the helm, we've got twin flip-up bolster seats, amazing Boston Whaler quality hardtop, rocket launcher rod holders here. On this particular boat, you get to choose the electronics that you'd like to put on this. So this is a blank canvas, so you can put whatever you'd like on there, which is a great feature for people. We've got the Fusion premium sound. All of your controls are right here. Flip of a switch, they light up. Premium sound. You've got underwater lighting on this thing. It's loaded. It's got everything. It's got your big trim tabs on the back. Your trim tab controls are here. So this is set up and ready to go, and you can put on whatever you'd like as far as electronics on this particular boat. Here we are at the bow of the 270 Dauntless. One of my favorite features on this boat, one of my favorite areas, this huge forward-facing seat, cup holders, armrests. But one thing that you're always looking for in a boat is huge, deep, probably 3.5 feet deep, storage for all your gear, fenders, lines, whatever you need down there. Actually has a step in to get down in there, which is awesome. Then we've got your anchor locker up front. Here we've got pads that can be removed if you're fishing it, or if you're just entertaining and you want to take people for a ride, or you're going to the sandbar. One of my favorite things is the way that these seats will flip and lock. So if you want to be here and you want to be facing forward, here you go. Plenty of room when you're underway. You've got grab rails, your cup holders, you've got your Fusion stereo control right here, and then right here we have a spot for your bow table as well. So the 270 Dauntless does it all. This is awesome. Give us a call here at St. Petersburg MarineMax, and my name once again is Doug. We love you, and we'll talk to you soon.